In this video, I'll show you how to install print heads inside of your HP Smart Tank printer. First step is to remove this ribbon over here, orange ribbon, simply by pulling it out completely, like this. Remove it, and you can discard it. Then inside, you're gonna notice there is a small blue tab over there and orange one. You simply need to stick your finger over here. There is an arrow, push it, and then release it. Push it and then release it like this. You see, it has released this blue tab. So it's just a clicking motion to release this thing. And then take this orange plastic thing and pull it towards you. As it says over here, you can discard this plastic thing. We don't need it anymore. Go ahead and open the print heads packaging that again came included with your printer. So we have two print heads here. The first one over here has some purple, and this is for the color print heads. Over here we have a black one, and obviously this is for the black ink print head. The color one goes on the left side and the black one on the right side. It's clearly marked over here. You see, we have some purple on the left and some black on the right. Let's start with the purple one that is for the color. We're gonna need to remove this tab where it says pull. So you just have to pull on this. And then over here we need to pull on this orange tab as well, completely. So now we have the print head, and the way to install it is with these contacts facing the printer, so this direction. I know it's a bit tight over here and it's hard to see, but what we need to do now is very simple. We just need to glide this print head until it's all the way in, and then you just have to take a finger and push it inside until it clicks in place. Do the same thing for the black ink print head. Simply glide it like that with the contacts first. And then at the end, push it. Whoops, like that. And by the way, when you want to remove these print heads, you just have to put your finger on top of the one that you want to remove and push it down to dislodge it, and then you can simply pull it out this way. Very easy. Okay. Once you're done doing this, we need to put back this blue cap over them. So simply press with your finger until it clicks. Then we have to close this front panel.